What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a quick look at Verasity here, and as we can see, not much has changed over the past few days. We did have a decent renaissance. Obviously off the bottom here we come down, we had a little bit of a double bottom and basically a bounce to the upside. If we take a look at this chart here, you can see we do seem to have quite a nice inverse head and shoulders forming for quite a lot of cryptos, by the way. You can see it kind of forming here. We've obviously got our shoulder, something like this. We've got the head, something like this, and then another shoulder like this potentially. You can see we kind of came up with a neckline here and we actually retested this previous area of support as resistance, but we've come back down right now, but looking as though we are getting a decent bit of support in this area here. The swing low at around that 3.8 cent level area, and obviously if this does play out, we will have a very nice little breakout for Verasity if we can break this neckline again, coming back up towards this previous all-time high around 5.7 cents and towards that previous macro trend line as well, which we were talking about. Let's just delete this now because it does clog up the chart quite significantly. You can see here we had our massive run up, big correction, and then we were heading our way up the stairs, weren't we? Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and we have still made technically a higher low here, but we are in danger of potentially, having a bit of a roll. And it looks as though that head and shoulders pattern that a lot of people were looking at for Verasity did actually play out. You can see obviously we've got our neckline here. This is our shoulder, then the head, something like this, the right shoulder like this, and then obviously we did have that breakdown target. You can see here if this is the neckline, we pretty much came down. You'd say we really got off lucky when you think on the logarithmic chart here just how far we could have actually fell here. Probably down more realistically the technical target at around 2 cents, so in reality only dropping down to 3 cents here and then wicking all the way back up onto that 0.78 retracement fib level. Still looking as though it's holding fairly strong, but as we said, we do want to see Verasity doing a little bit more over the next few weeks to really start moving back to the upside. Obviously heavily correlated to Bitcoin right now with a lot of fear in the market, but overall we'd say Verasity, as we said, a top quality project as always. We do think it's probably going to do very well going into the future. Right now things looking fairly uncertain, but still trading quite technically and still making higher lows. You can see here higher low, higher low, higher low, higher highs as well. So we just need to see Verasity in the next month or so getting back up towards these levels here, at least this 5.7 cent level, and then coming back up towards that 127 extension over the next few months, make that new all-time high around 10 cents and then get that continuation that we're looking for. So overall not that much to say. You can see here we've obviously had a bit of a move to the upside, and now we're just having potentially forming somewhat of a bull flag like this. Obviously if this was the case, again a technical target taking us back up towards that 6 cent level that we do want to see. So short-term price predictions, as we said, if we roll over, we've got this fib level here at around 3.6 cents is a decent bit of support. We could come down, find support here and bounce to the upside. Obviously if we roll over, we will be retesting that 3 cent level if Bitcoin does roll over and shit itself basically. And moving to the upside, as we said, we've got multiple indicators here basically saying that we're probably going to see ourselves heading back up towards this the top, basically at least this resistance here, previous support as resistance at least at 5.3 cents, and then getting back up towards that 5.7 cent level is probably going to be key over the next few weeks. Beyond that, as we've always said, 50 cents to $1, we think Verasity no problem in our opinion over the next 6 months. There's a massive amount of adoption for this crypto right now, and in the gaming crypto sphere it's still relatively unpumped. We do think when it starts to get some eyes on it and a lot of fundamental announcements coming very soon, it's probably going to start to do very, very well in our opinion. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.